Triangles. Congruence of triangles. When two geometrical figures are equal in size and measure, they are called congruent. Congruence of two figures can be verified with superimposition method. If placed on one another, the two figures are absolutely similar. So, we say that both figures are congruent. Two triangles are congruent if and only if congruence between their apex is such that congruent sides and congruent angles of both triangles are the same. Let's understand this with an example. In the given figure, side AB is congruent to side DE. Side BC is congruent to side EF. Side AC is congruent to side DF. It means AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, AC is equal to DF, and angle A is equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Important point: if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, then triangle PQR will be congruent to triangle ABC. If triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR and triangle PQR is congruent to triangle XYZ, then triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle XYZ. The similarity of sides and angles of two congruent triangles is called congruence of parts of a congruent triangle. In brief, it is called CPCT.